Who is your favorite grappler that's out currently right now, aside from yourself?
So coming up, it was Keenan. I always studied Keenan Cornelius tape. I love Keenan. He was like a big, lanky guy that was like the same body type as me. That was super flexible. Right now, you know, outside of our team, I'd have to say still Keenan. I find a lot of the stuff he does with little pell guards really interesting, and you know, I've been playing around with it a little myself, and it is very hard to deal with.